Hello, this is Neville Easy coming from New York. Just to share some exciting details on the Club Cash Fund program that's helping many people around the U.S., including myself. I can't say it enough. This is one of the most exciting programs online for anybody to have success due to his owner's fully transparent. He's paying every Friday and every Saturday. So if when people get involved with this opportunity, whether it's to pay down their debts, they have bills to clear up, emergency funds. We're in the summertime. People may need some extra vacation money. This is an opportunity to do it. So I'm just sharing a bit of my proof that I get every week from this program. I don't miss a pay week because I know that it's something that's going to help me out. It's paying and it's exciting to see not just myself, but we want to see many others share in the wealth of this program. So this is the purpose of me sharing this brief video. So I'm just going to zoom up on the envelopes that you receive. You have your name on it. You see it has my name here, and it has the toll-free 800 number. That's like a little tool that we use in the program to invite people. And then I'm going to show you some more cash that I received, and it comes in this nice little envelope. Thank you very much. You see that when I open it up, several hundreds in cash straight from John Stavo, the owner. So pretty much we all can make it happen. There's no discrimination, no limitations. Everyone can have the same amount of success here. And we on Facebook, we have tools, we have people with great skills that design pages. Everything is in place for our team to win. And this, again, is all about all of us making cash every week. So we're here, we're on Facebook. You can reach me by email, you can reach me by Skype. Either way, I'm fully transparent. We're here to help many people. Don't delay, get on board this opportunity. Let's have a great summer.